There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you.
Dürfen uns hier selber bedienen.
I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna what?
Hat für mich Kuchen gebacken. Oh, lecker Apfelkuchen. Ich habe schon gedacht, ich bin gut ausgestattet in meinem Brot, aber der hat sogar einen eigenen Joghurtmaker da drin. Schaut euch das einmal an, das ist ja Wahnsinn. Irgendwo muss noch eins drinnen sein. Ah nein, das letzte habe ich glaube ich gerade gefuttert. Schau mal hier rein. Na, das ist ein Wahnsinnschiff. Wunderschön, der Hanse. Traum von einem Schiffer. Wahnsinn. Platz ohne Ende hier. Werkzeugraum. Navigationssäcke. Hier nochmal die Kühlbox, die eigene Kabine. Schönes Schiff. Leider unbezahlbar für mich. Ich bin hier in Carriacou und werde jeden Moment abgeholt von der Festina Lente. Ja, das ist das Schiff da vorne, ein Riesendampfer. Und wir fahren gemeinsam mit denen, der Jens fährt das separat mit seinem Schiff und mit Sailing Scirocco, ja, mit dem, was ich diesen Surstroming geöffnet habe, zu Sandy Island. Das ist ein richtig geiler Beach auf der Nordostseite, glaube ich, von Carriacou. Da muss man ein bisschen ein Vieh zahlen, weil das Wasser so schön ist und dort soll es angeblich Haie geben. Ja, ein richtig geiles Riff und das schauen wir uns jetzt einmal an. Dann nehme ich euch gern mit. Away. So, meine lieben Freunde, jetzt bin ich angekommen auf der Festina Lente. Ja, eine Bavaria Vision 42. Ja, mit denen fahren wir heute zum Schnorcheln. Yes! Und wir bereiten jetzt einmal alles vor. Die Crew von Sailing Scirocco wird uns begleiten. Ja, das ist der Captain. Yeah.
It's coffee time.
Yeah. First we drink coffee and then we go outside. Jens is also already.
Yeah.
He's sailing. Yeah. Okay. First we say we sail together, but yeah, he go first. Yeah, but no problem, we will catch him. Hier kommen schon Sailing Scirocco. Yeah. Mit dem Digi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Sailing Scirocco. Good morning. Guten Morgen. we're sailing! Yay!
Get pressure on, yeah?
Very fast.
Pressure on the sails.
And you can see when we're having it this way, you can see the rolling in is like this.
Yeah.
And now we have the pressure away from the mast. And then it's better, yeah. So either hopefully up against the wind or down with the wind.
Yeah, okay.
So we can go down as well, because then the pressure on the sail is so low that we can roll it in.
Captain, what we do now?
Now we are dropping the anchor.
Okay. How many meters we have here?
It's 7 meters.
How many chain you need?
35 meters.
Okay.
To be safe.
Yeah.
To be really safe.
What is this?
So this is cocoa beans or cocoa fruit, and now we're gonna ferment it for a week in this jar. I hope my hands were clean. Yeah. Do it like this. So it's gonna ferment for a week. Then you sun dry it for another week.
This you can try.
To eat.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can like suck it up.
Suck
Not the middle, but the white
the
stuff. you
flesh
can
around
have.
it. It is good. What does it taste like?
Citron.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad.
But I like this. What is this? Show me.
I'm gonna show you that. So, this is homemade bong. I use this.
For chocolate or what?
Oh yeah, chocolate. Chocolate to smoke. So I use a tea strainer to make this. Put this. Put some cocoa leaves.
You make it by yourself?
Yes.
Wow.
We found this coconut. We found the bamboos.
Yeah.
Stick it on top.
Are you boring sometimes?
Bored.
Or bored sometimes?
Not really. It was super fun to make.
And when it's finished?
Well, yeah. Now it's gonna ferment.
Yeah. How long?
1 week.
1 week. Okay.
Then it needs to dry on a tray under the sun for another week.
Mhm.
Then you put it on a pan and you fry it, not fry it.
Roast it.
Roast it,
Okay.
or in the oven until it gets this.
And for what I can use this?
You can make chocolate.
You can make chocolate.
No.
This is how chocolate is made. Wait,
Whi-
did you?
White chocolate.
No.
No, this is the same. This is how the other ones looked in the beginning.
Wait, the one, the one you
really?
sucked. Did you put it in?
Yeah.
No, he put it over the.
No. I put it in the water.
All right. So yeah.
Ah, cool.
So 1 week. Fermenting.
Okay, after 2 weeks I come to you, drink hot chocolate. Yeah. Thank you.
Jens, wo sind wir hier? Und was machen wir da?
Wir haben gerade eine Bar übergeben bekommen.